PUREOVER is an all-glass pour-over coffee maker with a built-in glass filter. Because it's all glass, you won't have any other taste in your cup like paper, metal, or plastic.
Oh, wait a minute.
My name is Itai, and this is what I do every day. I also do this every day. One day, I decided to combine my career in glass and my love of coffee, and after 6 months of prototyping with my shopmate here in Portland, Oregon, the PUREOVER coffee maker was born. It's crafted from scientific-grade borosilicate glass, which is specifically engineered to withstand high temperatures, like boiling water. PUREOVER brews with just coffee and glass. You can make a bold, chewy cup of coffee without relying on single-use paper filters. The world uses a lot of trees to make paper filters. 1.5 million trees to make the 275 billion filters that are produced and used every year. We can do better. I'm gonna pass it over to Jordan, who's made countless delicious coffee drinks for the people of Portland, and who knows coffee better than anyone I know.
Brewing with the PUREOVER is great because it preserves a lot of the natural oils and fines of the beans. Paper filters tend to get in the way and take away a lot of the good stuff. Some like to think of the cup of a PUREOVER as smooth, velvety. I like to call it chewy. Let me show you how it works. First, we start like we always do. Grind your favorite coffee. I like to go slightly finer than a French press. Don't bother with the paper filter. Just pour the grounds right into the dripper and get ready to taste the coffee, not the paper. The water diffuser helps regulate the pour and assists in a process called cake filtration, where the coffee grounds act as a filter themselves. Combined with the all-glass filter, this makes for a bold, chewy cup of coffee. Return the dripper back to its base and enjoy your cup. It's easy to clean. Dump it out and give it a rinse and you're done. I'm gonna send it back to Itai in the shop.
PUREOVER isn't only here to help you make a flavorful cup of coffee at home. We're also here to support young people and show them the option for following a career in the fine or industrial arts. That's why we're partnering with the Crucible to support a new generation of young makers. Help us create this new way of brewing and create a whole new generation of artists and craftspeople by backing our Kickstarter today.